In this lesson, we're giving you the basics of licensing, basically talking about the three categories that you can license your photos as. The three categories are commercial, editorial, and retail. Commercial licensing is photography that is used to sell or promote a product, service, or idea. So this is, for example, photography for an advertisement, or for even if you're taking a picture for a school, but if it's used to promote their school. The second type of license is editorial, and this is for educational or journalistic purposes. So if you are taking photos for a newspaper or to post on a blog, or same situation if you're taking a photo for a school but it's more event coverage or just covering some sort of news that's happening, then it's an editorial license. And lastly, a retail license is commissioned or purchased for personal use. So this is if someone wants to buy your photography to put in their home, for example. And so the difference is not the type of photo, but the actual use of the photo. The same photo can be used for different purposes. For example, you can cover an event, but it could also be used as commercial for the company or editorial for the newspaper. So you're covering an event, let's say you go to the Super Bowl and you are taking pictures of the Super Bowl. It could be an editorial piece for a newspaper about the events that took place there, or it could be used for the next promotion of the Super Bowl the following year. Two different licenses. And for an example in retail photography, let's take wedding photography. It's event coverage, but the end use is personal, unless it's some celebrity that you're taking photos of at their wedding just for a newspaper or blog. It's typically going to be a personal end use, so that makes it retail photography. The key thing to remember is that all three licenses are intellectual property. You created the photo and you are the owner, and you have the rights to sell it, keep it, or share it however you want. So I hope this gives you an understanding of what licensing is and the types, and in the next video we'll talk about actually how you license and what it really means, including things like exclusive licensing, non-exclusive licensing, unlimited use, or limited use, which are terms that you might have heard of. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in that video.